The economics and cost analysis of a 2023 Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving is a cherished holiday in the United States, celebrated with family and friends coming together to express gratitude and enjoy a delicious feast. As we look ahead to our Thanksgiving meal in 2023, it is interesting to explore the economics and cost factors associated with hosting a Thanksgiving dinner. In this video, we will delve into the various components that contribute to the overall expenses of a Thanksgiving meal, including food, beverages, decorations, and other miscellaneous costs. Food expenses. The centerpiece of any Thanksgiving dinner is undoubtedly the food. Traditional dishes such as roasted turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie are staples on the menu. The cost of these ingredients can vary depending on factors such as location, quality, and quantity required. In 2023, it is expected that the average cost of a Thanksgiving dinner for a family of 4 will range between $50 and $100, depending on the region and individual preferences. Turkey. The cost of a turkey is typically the most significant expense for a Thanksgiving dinner. The price per pound can fluctuate based on factors like demand, supply, and quality. In 2023, a 15-pound turkey is estimated to cost around $30 to $40, depending on the region and whether it is organic or conventionally raised. Side dishes. Side dishes like mashed potatoes, stuffing, and cranberry sauce are essential components of a Thanksgiving meal. The cost of these items can vary depending on whether they are homemade or store-bought. On average, the ingredients required for these side dishes may cost around $10 to $20, depending on the number of servings and the quality of ingredients chosen. Beverages. Thanksgiving dinners often include a variety of beverages, including wine, beer, soft drinks, and non-alcoholic options. The cost of beverages can vary significantly depending on personal preferences and the number of guests. On average, the cost of beverages for a Thanksgiving dinner may range from $20 to $50, depending on the selection and quantity required. Decorations. Creating a festive atmosphere is an integral part of Thanksgiving celebrations. Decorations such as tablecloths, centerpieces, candles, and fall-themed accents contribute to the overall ambiance. The cost of decorations can vary depending on personal taste and the extent of the decor. On average, the cost of Thanksgiving decorations may range from $10 to $30, depending on the desired level of festivity. Miscellaneous costs. In addition to the main components mentioned above, there are various miscellaneous costs associated with hosting a Thanksgiving dinner. These may include disposable plates, cutlery, napkins, and cleaning supplies. The cost of these items can range from $10 to $20, depending on the number of guests and the quality of disposable products chosen. Conclusion. Hosting a Thanksgiving dinner involves careful planning and consideration of various economic factors. From the cost of the turkey to the expenses associated with side dishes, beverages, decorations, and miscellaneous items, the overall cost of a 2023 Thanksgiving dinner for a family of 4 can range between $100 and $200. However, it is important to note that these figures are estimates and can vary depending on individual preferences, location, and market conditions. Ultimately, the joy and gratitude shared during this special holiday make the cost of a Thanksgiving dinner a worthwhile investment in creating lasting memories with loved ones.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.